Happy Hub Day. Welcome back to the Hub, where we show you the most interesting videos floating around the internet. Stay tuned to see what the heck this thing is. Very impressed with this art installation in Singapore. It's called Kinetic Rain, and it's these aluminum raindrops that are suspended from wires moving at a 15-minute long choreographed dance. Any of you like aluminum foil and Yu-Gi-Oh? Well, check out the Winged Dragon of Ra from the Yu-Gi-Oh card game and TV show here. It is being made out of aluminum foil just for you. Maybe you don't want to make fictional creatures? Well, maybe you can make some historic creatures. This is a T-Rex being made entirely out of aluminum foil. And maybe you don't want to use extinct creatures, so instead you use a living creature right in your kitchen, which is your dog. This artist molded his dog's face out of aluminum foil. Dogs too challenging? Well, how about another living thing? Those are flowers. This artist in Mexico uses aluminum foil to make these beautiful aluminum flowers that she sells out of her shop. Alright, that's a lot of information on how we can use aluminum foil, but where does it even come from? Well, aluminum has to get mined out of the ground and then melted down to a liquid state where it gets spread out real flat until it cools into these long rectangular sheets of metal. They get blasted with chemicals and then flattened out so they get thin, and then they get spread out even thinner on these rollers where they're turned into the aluminum foil rolls that you have in your kitchen. This blew my mind. I had no idea this was something that even happened. So this is liquefied aluminum. It's piping hot, and it's poured inside of an anthill that was infesting someone's yard. They go through and it cools, and then they can dig it out and see all of the tunnels that the ants were digging. This is actually the largest cast of an anthill ever made. Can you believe how deep down those ants were digging? Thinking about displacing all those ants got me to think about the incredible power of ants overall, so I found this video from BBC that shows a group of hunter ants in the jungle taking down a grasshopper. Look at all of them working together. It's terrifying. And I'm a little too scared, so I think I'm going to go. Big shout out to Mark and Thomas, who left us comments letting us know that they've turned on notifications. Mark was actually very complimentary, so if you do the same, we may leave you a shout out in our very next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to brush your teeth and get to bed on time, because then you'll be wide awake and ready for another video next time from The Hub.